Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Now, these videos are videos that I have posted on TikTok, just giving my opinion on Uthando Nestembu. So please let me know if my opinion is wrong. Am I seeing things wrong? Am I choosing sides or what? Yeah, but this is what happened on Uthando Nestembu, and I thought I should just break it down and share it with you. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Guys, hey, Bazix, Uthando Nestembu. Can we just say it first? Singakafiki indawo. If you know you are invested in this family, and then when this family is low-key your family, even though you're not related to them, ndlula. This is an interesting topic because Isthembu is a dynamic that is rejected mostly in South Africa, even though we know ukuthi it was commonly practiced. So if wena ufila hore o tlo ba Cinderella, Munyakoshule, uskantlapela. All right. Can we start by saying we wish Ubaba Mseleku well? Even post-production, we wish Ubaba Mseleku well. Ubaba Mseleku is not well, guys. He moved from high care to ICU, right? And they had to stop filming for a whole month. Ukuthi Ubaba Mseleku abe right. So that worried me. It also, like, I also had questions ukuthi, kanti how long was he admitted? Yo, yeah, but abe sharp on that Mseleku. Let us start ngabonkosikazi, right? Oh, I wanted to say this. There is somebody that likes saying ukuthi a lot of people like saying ukuthi Usne is also a main character with Thando Nestembu and she should get paid. But guys, Umpumelelo Usibindi is also a main character in that show. Also, Ulwandle, now he plays a very big role in that show because amongst all other children, these three appear and participate the most. Ukuyanga. Sharp. Umacele wandlula engathi akamazi uMakhumalo esibhedlela. Guys, Isthembu sinyakarina. Isthembu is for us, people who've got long hearts. Ka re pelo tse telle. Isthembu ke sa rena ba dipelo tse telle. Ha o na le pelo e nyane, o itse o tla Joburg, o ka se loke ko Isthembu. O ka se loke because why? Your sister wife awufeta ka re anazani anhlobani. Nangu hamba phambili ugelo uyahwanta usamge. So uMakhumalo did not notice uSamke based on the fact that she does not know Samke and she uMakhumalo Umacele bekahambela phambili. So uMakhumalo was not disturbed in that manner, in that regard. Sharp. And then kube yindaba ka uMayeni, right? uMakhumalo Umacele abe ne get together nyana no Mayeni. In that get together they were addressing issues zakamseleku, explaining ukuthi uMseleku uguliswa ukuthi isithembu sakhe abasamngeli and uMseleku ufuna ukuba nomsebenzi, basically azo introducer ubaby girl. Hayi buza ngimile. Ungelazi, she's nonchalant about everything. Hadeng mo, hadikeni. Like Umayeni is la. I don't know what triggered her. We need to know, and we might not know. You know, we might only find out on season 10. Why is she acting like this on this season? Because it's only now that we are understanding uMakhumalo. The reason why I zip, it's because of izinto bezishiwo ngaye kuma diary session where season le endlulile. Ugeli wathi no bathi mina ngizenza ngcono ngi-initiator kakhulu ngibiza ama-meeting so yere ke beshaye shut up ke bona udilo ditlera habe yang nna ikeme komrawo. But because uye yamshisa indaba kaMseleku kuphela isithandwa senhliziyo yakhe wathi I think busy meeting engathi akazange akwazi invite uMayeni since uMayeni athe ummoshela isikhathi wabiza laba abanye bathi khwam in that discussion wakhulunyana ngephathi yaMseleku and then uMakhumalo then asked uMayeni Umacele to call Umayeni on the next meeting. This was before the ICU matter was announced and the production stopped filming. the whole plan uMakhumalo wanted to understand ukuthi what are our marching orders, what is the way forward. If he's discharged, how are we best going to take care of Umseleku, considering ukuthi indoda yethu sonke. Yes, uma yena uthe akafuna ukumnakekela on one of her diary sessions. I hope that you guys heard that well and as well, because ningeza la nizongihlafuna. So I'm thinking ukuthi uMakhumalo wants them to have turns ukuthi how are they going to take care of their husband, right? Then kwakhulunywa indaba yephathi kungena bani manje? USigcebhezana, uMangwabe, the last one. Wathi uMangwabe i-10 yakhe ke manje yokwenza iphathi ukuthi ayenzele Umseleku iphathi. Washo ukuthi vele nje ngoba yena usemnyango truck seyimile, hayi kuzoba yi-farewell kaMseleku le, uzomenzela yona athi goodbye, bye, 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 bye. Guys, it's taboo. But looking at, this is just me. uMangwabe loves Umusa Mseleku. uMangwabe is just disappointed and also sharing the attention, and already Umusa is overstretched on these 4 wives, and now taking the 5th one, making it even worse. So at this point, I think ukuthi uGirl loves her husband, but the fact yokuthi kunama dynamics amanye adisturba lena le, it makes it difficult for her to fully be there and fully love her husband accordingly. But yeah, that's what I saw. I know you guys are going to chow me, but what is going to be some case position in this whole month, considering ukuthi indoda yakhe iku-ICU, and ku-ICU akungeni noma ubani? Unless you guys will let me know